Okay, so yes. Yeah, okay. Today was Tuesday. It's over for me. I'm not gonna trade this PM session right now. This yes, let's quickly look at the thank you. So today we lost. We lost, we had a break even. And we had a win. So a loss, I mean. Chip in. So yeah, today. Okay, this is what happened today. Wait a second. Okay, so what happened? We opened here this small money opening gap, and we just immediately went lower below the new week opening gap. For me, if we went below here, I believe that we could trade on into the new week opening gap of the previous week. We did in London. So yeah, we did in London. So our target, what I was kind of looking for, was already hit. And I marked this equal highs right here. You know, we went lower. So for to take a little bit, to take some buy side and then go lower, that's possible. So we did. This is a void, so the new week opening gap we traded into it, but here you see that we left a portion open right here. So we have the London low here, and we have no price right here. So I marked that, expected that to be my target. So I waited for open, and we had open right here. We took the high right here, and the RTH was like quite big today with like a large RTH gap right here. So for me, it didn't need to go and trade much in the RTH. I didn't expect a big fill or something. So I just waited. We had the SMT as I said, right here. And then we went lower, taking out this low and this low. And we went inside of the first presented and I went short. I don't know, somewhere like here. So I went short targeting CE right here. Maybe the sell side. No, my stop was. My stop was just here. Maybe like a partial right here, right here. Maybe leave a one from here. So I expected just a quick move lower, net open, and then maybe later in the day that we can maybe clear out the buy side. Because still on the daily, I was looking for some sort of like higher prices. Like I'm looking for lower prices to fill in this, but to form some low around here, that could be the case because yes, we filled the whole new week opening gap and we had like this order block that I marked. And if you look back 20 days, and this is your low, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's 20 days. I marked the high and the low, and this is the CE. And what lays on top of that, the order block right here. So I marked this order block, and I thought maybe we can draw down there. So, and also the RTH, auto RTH, open right here of 24 October. Like we have another price still to the downside that's still open. So that's why I was looking for lower prices, and I thought maybe we could engineer later for maybe later the week or something like that. So I went short and I lost. And after that, we just went straight higher. We had this gap, order block here. You could have entered right here. Maybe you could even enter right here on this order block. And we went higher to where? We went to the 1 hour CB right here. We went to a 4 hour CB and a 15-minute, and midnight was here. So I was looking, can we go to midnight or maybe yes, and yes. Just filled midnight, but it hit a CE of a wick, old wick right here. Perfectly hit it right there. We had the high forming right here on the yes. So I still believe that we can go lower. So just waiting. Okay, the Marco is coming, so I marked this as a short-term high, intermediate high, SMT, and the market was coming. But we traded down into this 50 minutes busy right here, and I was like, should I do it? Should I not do it? So I was kind of like fighting with myself, I would say. So we traded down. We didn't touch the CB, otherwise I would have, I think, not even entered. If it maybe aligns with this lower quadrant of the RTH, then it would have been good. Maybe I would have done it then. But I was just waiting. It didn't touch it. It left it breakaway. And we went lower and formed a CB on the RTH high of 27 October. So this is old RTH, it's also open. Still had a portion open right here. Turn out into the CB, also a 5 minute. And I went lower. So we went lower. And this time, I think I did like a little short somewhere around here. And I went break even right here. I think I was kind of scared of losing. I don't know. I have like 10 more days. I think maybe a little bit more, 10 days before I have to pay the new fee for Apex, and I'm in drawdown. So that means, and the next payment that I need to do is $90. So I don't really want to pay that. So I need to win. Like I need to go up on my account right now. So I was kind of like, I don't want to take a loss. So yeah, I went out. I went lower to the RTH high, low. Had a retracement. Lunch started, and we have some unfinished business lower. And lunch started. And took on this little high, and yes, took also this highs right here, and it broke down. I also went in a break-even trade. Was this break-even trade, but I also have another break-even trade. That's I think on this order block right here. That went short. I kind of see there's like a second stage with first stage here, low risk entry, and I thought, okay, let's do the second stage. So I went short on the order block right here. And yeah, so here we had like a first stage or second stage, I'm gonna call it. And I thought, okay, here now on the sell side of the curve is gonna be around here as well. That's why I entered right here on this order block. We touched the YTH high, then low, and we retraced. Took on the buy side, I just went break even when it touched this right here, because usually after this you kind of see a retracement right here, and then lunch took some little high and then it went lower. Could have entered again right here. I was just could have entered somewhere around here, this order block maybe, when this first presented. They do nothing, and eventually just took the sell side. So I was kind of right about the day. Emotions needs to be journal today. I struggled today with the emotions. I really wanted to push, but then I was scared, and then I did push, and then just went a little bit. I don't know what I was doing. So we need to learn still. We need to learn, and we need to control it. We just need to have like, okay, I'm not gonna trade right now. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for this. We're gonna wait for that. So we wait for that, and now I just like a little bit of impulsive. Even the short, I said my first plan was this. My first plan was this. Maybe I can even show it on my journal. My first plan was right here. Before the session open, I always like make a little plan for what I expect. And this was my first plan, and then after that, I just suddenly made the decision to go short as well, because here we opened right here, took it inside, I saw an SMT, and I kind of was scared like, oh, what if I missed a move? What if I missed a move? So I went short. So I made that decision just because I didn't want to miss the move, and that's another not a good thing. So yeah, we took a loss right here, which is fine. Look how we stopped also here with the bodies. It's fine. Eventually we are right in the direction of the market. We just wrong on the execution of it, and yeah, we just need to learn from this and just go further and just, I don't know, man. It's like I struggled with this for a long time. There's no where the market's gonna go. There's my executions, and I'm too scared. Then I impulsive. Like I don't know what I'm doing. So I need to journal everything good, learn from it. Then yes, eventually it's gonna come. Just need to have patience. Need to be there every day, doing the same, and make sure my uh, mental is good. So that will be it for today. We just make low lows right here again. Expect also close the gap eventually. And yes, as I said, we have the target of we have a target to take the order block, as I said, right there. It's on the 50. I think we're gonna trade right there, and depend how we're gonna trade right here tomorrow. I would say okay, maybe we're gonna go even lower or we're gonna go higher. So yeah, that could be it today in last hour. Yes, just took down this sell side. We still have sell side right here, but I believe lower. If you let this low, if you let this down, then tomorrow is gonna be a hit. For now, I would say lower prices. We also have this RTH of 24 October open, and this daily order block here on NQ as well. So we see tomorrow I'll be back. It's Wednesday, and I'm gonna be done fast tomorrow. So yeah, we see. So yeah, tomorrow I'll be back, and then that will be it for today, and then tomorrow.